In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check domain authority in Semrush. Whether you're a digital marketer, an SEO professional, or just somebody wanting to understand the landscape of a particular website's metrics, knowing how to find and evaluate a domain's authority can be incredibly useful. First, let's start with opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. In the search bar, type in Semrush. You'll want to click on the official website that appears in your search results. Semrush is a well-known tool not only for checking domain authority, but also for a variety of other SEO-related tasks. Once you're on the Semrush homepage, you'll need to either log in or sign up if you haven't done so already. Signing up is straightforward and free for a limited version of their platform, with options to upgrade to more comprehensive plans if you choose. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to create your account or to enter your login details if you already have one. Upon entering the Semrush dashboard, locate the tool called Domain Overview. This tool is essential for analyzing a domain's metrics. It's usually easy to find on the main page, possibly listed under menu options like Features or SEO Tools. Clicking on Domain Overview will lead you to a search bar where the magic happens. Now, type the domain name or URL you're interested in analyzing into the search bar. This is the address of the website for which you want to check the domain authority. After you enter the domain, hit Enter or click the search icon. Semrush will then process the request and gather all relevant data from its extensive databases. When the results page loads, you'll see a variety of metrics related to that domain. One of these metrics is the authority score. This score provides an insight into the overall quality and authority of the domain and is sometimes referred to as domain authority. Alongside this, Semrush will show other metrics such as the number of backlinks, organic traffic, and keyword rankings, which all contribute to the domain's standing. For a deeper dive, click directly on the authority score. This action will offer a detailed breakdown of how the score is calculated. It's a great way to understand the different components that affect a domain's authority. You might encounter additional metrics that detail the site's trust score, link popularity, and more, depending on your Semrush plan. And there you have it, a straightforward method to check domain authority using Semrush. Keeping an eye on these metrics is vital for strategic planning, competitor analysis, or general information gathering. Understanding domain authority and its implications can help guide your SEO strategy and digital marketing efforts effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.